Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Battleford, a small town in west central Saskatchewan, set along the banks of the North Saskatchewan River. With a population of just over 4,000 people, Battleford is part of a larger urban area that includes the nearby city of North Battleford across the river. Despite its modest size, this town holds a significant place in Canadian history, offering a blend of heritage, natural beauty, and a strong sense of community. Battleford was established in the year 1876 as a post for the Northwest Mounted Police. At the time, it was chosen for its strategic location near the confluence of the North Saskatchewan and Battle Rivers. The settlement quickly became an important administrative center in the Northwest Territories, even serving briefly as the territorial capital in the late 1800s. Its early role placed it at the heart of government, law enforcement, and settlement in the region. One of the most defining chapters in Battleford's history came during the Northwest Resistance of 1885. As tensions rose between the Canadian government, Métis communities, and First Nations groups, Battleford became a focal point of activity. Many residents sought protection inside the fortified Northwest Mounted Police barracks during the unrest. Although the town itself was not destroyed, the events left a lasting impact on the area and remain an important part of its historical identity. Today, visitors can still explore this past at the Fort Battleford National Historic Site. The fort preserves original buildings from the late 1800s, including officers' quarters and guardhouses. Walking through the site offers a glimpse into life during the early days of settlement and the role of the mounted police in shaping Western Canada. It stands as one of the best preserved examples of its kind in the country. As the railway expanded across the prairies in the early 1900s, development gradually shifted across the river to what is now North Battleford. This change slowed Battleford's growth, allowing it to retain much of its historic character. Today, the town reflects a quieter pace of life, with tree-lined streets, heritage buildings, and a layout that still hints at its earlier importance as a regional center. The natural setting of Battleford adds to its appeal. The North Saskatchewan River Valley provides scenic views and opportunities for outdoor recreation throughout the year. Parks and walking trails follow the riverbank, offering places to relax and enjoy the landscape. The nearby Finlayson Island, located within the river, is a popular spot for picnics, events, and community gatherings, especially during the warmer months. Battleford also serves as a gateway to the surrounding countryside and lakes. Within a short distance, visitors can reach destinations like Jackfish Lake, known for its sandy beaches and summer activities. Fishing, boating, and camping are common pastimes in the area, drawing both locals and visitors who want to experience Saskatchewan's natural spaces. In winter, the region offers opportunities for snowmobiling and other cold weather recreation. Despite its small size, Battleford continues to play a role as a service and administrative center for nearby rural areas. Government offices, schools, and community services support both the town and the surrounding population. Its close relationship with North Battleford allows the two communities to share resources while maintaining their distinct identities. For those passing through or spending time here, Battleford provides a chance to slow down and connect with both history and nature. Whether exploring historic sites, walking along the river, or simply taking in the quiet surroundings, the town offers a meaningful and authentic prairie experience. It is a reminder of how communities grow, adapt, and endure over time. Thanks for watching.